Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Extraordinary Ordinary Life. This past weekend we went out to the St. John's Town Center for their holiday spectacular and even got to check out the Lego store for some of their new product. With that said, let's get started on this Extraordinary Ordinary adventure.
Let's go find a marker. Look, there's some markers on the ground. Where you want to write your name? I bet you could write it right here.
Right here.
Right there? Okay.
Psycho! Psycho!
Good job, bud. Got it, buddy? Good job. What do you see?
No, probably more than that.
Oh my goodness, we got Harry Potter and Mario. That's pretty cool. Look, chocolate frog.
Giordana, you're going too slow.
I know. It says Lego.
Sesame Street one. Oh look, Elmo has his little fish. What's Elmo's fish's name again? Is it like Dory or?
Not Dory.
Not Dory. What's her name again? I can't remember.
Oh yeah.
These ones with the flowers, like the Lego flowers.
Oh yeah.
Wow, there's that coaster one.
Movie.
Oh yeah. So it's the Nintendo made out of Legos. Yeah. Oh, here's the Winnie the Pooh one. That one's cute. I like that one. And these are those flower Legos. Oh, look, and see, look at all the ones that are supposed to be flowers. They're actually little frogs. Do you see them? All over the tree, they're little froggies. Yeah. I like these ones because they're more like an art sculpture than like just Legos. This one's cool. This is Stranger Things. It's one of Mommy's favorite shows. That is so cool. I like that one. I do that one. It is $200 though.
Nope.
Yikes. Has 2,287 pieces.
Nope.
So here's one of their new products that they have here at the Lego store. It's this Mario Cube, and it has all these different hidden compartments that can do things and pop out. And the sales associate that worked there today was so kind to show me how it worked.
Cool. Thank you so much. Yeah, some of their other Mario ones, huh?
You can get both of these two sets with I know. And I wish you could actually buy this, Mommy.
You could for $200.
No. Wait. New? This is a brand new one?
It's a Home Alone.
Get up. Get up. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on trombone, Mr. Lance Reed. Show him that Jacksonville love, y'all. Come on. Show it to him. Listen, get it together, y'all. Right on, right on. Right on, right on. Right on, right on. Get up. Ha, get up. Hey, fellas, can we hit it and quit it? Lads, can we hit it and quit it, baby? Man, I want to hit it and quit it. I'll bring it down. Back here. Say, get up off of that thing. Shake it till you feel, baby. I'll bring it there. Get off of that thing. Boom. Get up off of that thing. Get up off of that thing. Just go, baby. Forward. Hey, 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 hey. So good. So good. Come on, man. Come on, Jacksonville. Put those hands together. Let's go, let's go. You gotta finish strong. Come on, go, go, go. Top course. Jingle bells, sing it. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. What fun it is to dance and sing, sleighing songs and nights. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open
So much beautiful. Now, this is where we could use a little help, Santa. Do you think you could help us light the tree? He's in, everybody. All right. Let's throw that countdown up on the screen because we're going to need your help too. Here we go. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jacksonville! Merry Christmas, everyone!
was a good finish.
Wow, how about that fireworks show, you guys? That was amazing. It definitely put me into the Christmas spirit. I sure hope it did for you. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We have so much planned coming up for this holiday season. We're going to see a ton of lights. We are going to go to zoo lights, you guys. I know you enjoy those zoo videos, so we will be going back for that. We're going to try to go opening night so you can see everything they have to offer and decide whether it's worth the trip out for you. So with that said, thank you so much again, and we'll see you in our next video, you guys. Bye-bye.